Some people fit right in. It comes effortlessly. It must be nice.
Ready or not.
Excuse me, can you buy some booze for my friends and I?
Oh, here's my girl.
This never happened.
Hey! Oh my God.
You guys want to party like rock stars? Follow me.
Cool basement.
You're free to do whatever you want down here, but nobody go upstairs.
This is so sick.
Welcome to Mars.
Who are you with?
Just some kids from school.
You got a sweet mama, huh?
Hi, honey.
I want you to meet someone.
What?
Love, Ma.
You know where the party is.
How did you get our numbers?
I told you everyone is here.
We can't go up there. What the hell? Take a look.
Maggie. I can feel those big doe eyes watching me.
Why is my son spending time at your house?
Some people fit right in. Strip. What you did to me, it never goes away.
Why are you doing this?
How does it feel to be on the outside looking in? It's the most fun I've had in a long time.